Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: an Apple ID signed into iMessage on a Mac and your iPhone nearby. Once done, enable messages in iCloud and set up text message forwarding so SMS will relay. Next, install and sign into a remote access tool on both the Mac and the PC. You do this because Apple doesn't provide a native iMessage app for Windows. Remote access lets you run messages on the Mac and view it on your PC in real time. Once the remote tool is ready, connect from your PC to the Mac. Make sure to grant screen sharing and accessibility permissions on the Mac. This allows keyboard and clipboard pass-through. Adjust resolution and performance settings so typing and attachments transfer smoothly. Then open Messages on the Mac and select a conversation. Send a test iMessage to yourself or a contact to confirm delivery. You do this to ensure latency and input mapping work before relying. To finish, secure the link. Enable two-factor authentication on your Apple ID and set a robust remote access PIN. Make routine settings tweaks. Allow notifications on the remote window, enable clipboard sync, and create keyboard shortcuts for common replies. If something breaks, firstly confirm the Mac is online and signed into iCloud with messages enabled. Next, verify text message forwarding on the iPhone. Then check the remote app has accessibility and screen recording permissions. These steps fix most connectivity or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.